Hi everyone and welcome to this most unique product launch from Royal Enfield. I really wish I could be there in person and to host you all and show you our lovely new motorcycle. But it's not to be this time. It's going to be different this time. The world has changed and I hope you're all safe where you are and healthy. I really would have liked to do this with Vinod Dasri, CEO of Royal Enfield, our first joint product launch. But you know what? I'm quite happy being here in this amazing Welsh countryside, riding this gorgeous new motorcycle and just enjoying myself thoroughly. It's in this very island in Britain over a century ago that Royal Enfield was born. We're going to celebrate our 120th birthday next year. You know, made like a gun since 1901. And we are the oldest motorcycle manufacturer in continuous production anywhere in the world. So it's really quite a legacy, quite a long, unbroken record for Royal Enfield to just keep making motorcycles and to stick to our core philosophy of making simple, pure, old school, gorgeous, fun motorcycles. The world has converged to either commuters or to big fancy motorcycles, and we believe there's an enormous space in the middle, and that's the space we're serving. We're going to markets around the world. We're really present now in 60 countries across the world. And it's not just selling motorcycles, it's being a fabric of the motorcycling scene in these countries. We've got teams around the world. We've got hundreds of our own stores or Royal Enfield unique stores, but also nearly 1,000 multi-brand stores outside of India. So it's really becoming big for Royal Enfield. When Aisha first took over Royal Enfield, I remember I was in college and we had this amazing motorcycle that really got me excited, which is called the City Bike. And from that emerged the Lightning 535, which was, let's say, a more formal bike in Royal Enfield's portfolio. And that really caught the fancy of a lot of people because of the Lightning, the motorcycle itself, but also because of that big, powerful 535cc engine in it. After that, we came up with a very unique Thunderbird, and our brands of cruisers have also evolved because the offering has evolved tremendously, because the customers evolved, the roads have evolved, and now it's really exciting for us. It's an exciting moment in our lives that we're becoming truly global again, out of our Indian base and out of our Indian home. Over to you, Vinod, to tell us a little bit more about that.
Welcome to the Royal Enfield headquarters and to this fabulous India Technical Center. This reinforces our confidence as we take on the next steps towards our journey to become a global motorcycling brand. Along with this, in Chennai, we have 3 world-class manufacturing facilities in Oragadam, in Tiruvallur, and in Vallam. This facility amplifies our design and testing capabilities. The infrastructure we have here gives us best-in-class performance and durability testing for our engines as well as our vehicles. And this anechoic chamber that you see, this is where we perfect our sound. We have 2 world-class technical centers. We are here today in Chennai at our India Technical Center at the Royal Enfield headquarters. The other one is another world-class technical center in Leicester in UK. We have this fantastic design studio as well as a prototype shop. We have cross-functional and cross-cultural capabilities. We leverage this to bring you truly global design capabilities that work in every part of the world. The new motorcycle is coming together at this fabulous infrastructure. Let me show you a film.
Take me 1,000 miles from here, where wind is blowing free, where the light meets the sea.
The wait is finally over. I'm proud to present Royal Enfield's Meteor 350.
So here we are, Royal Enfield's all-new Meteor 350, and I'm really excited about it. As you can see, it's all new, everything is different. Of course, it has the lines of a traditional classic cruiser, but we've evolved that and we've developed that based on what we think requirements are in India and around the world for people who want to use this for a highway cruiser. So the ergonomics are foot forward, yet it's comfortable, it's really comfortable. The seat is wide but low, and not so low that it gets difficult in cities. So we've thought about everything, the ergonomics, but when you look at this, first and foremost, I think the parts, all the bits and bobs, which are all brand new, they're really, really top-notch, top-class. They work really well. We've really paid attention. We've spent months and years and hundreds of thousands of kilometers in just doing testing, validation. So all these bits are absolutely new, and we're really excited about it. And we have lots of new color schemes and obviously some beautiful tank badges and all of that. So that's on the design. But behind all this and at the heart of all of this is the brand new engine. So we've got a J Series 349cc fuel injected engine, very refined and super responsive. It's got this balancer shaft which absolutely takes out all the vibrations on these long distance journeys. I've been riding it all day and it doesn't make you feel tired at all. We've put a lot of emphasis on mapping the fuel injection in a way that it gives you a really good response to the engine. And when you twist the accelerator, it just goes. It just absolutely goes. It's got a lot of low-end torque, but then it's also got a lot of mid-range now, and it really allows you to keep going day long without any problem and trouble whatsoever. We've got an all-new frame and suspension, and in order to give you a very good ride and handling and response on this motorcycle, and that's what it's all about for the new Meteor. It's about refinement, it's about response from the throttle, from the feel of it. When you're riding around and you're getting into those bumps and it just glides over everything, that's the suspension setting, but it gives you the right feel when you're moving the bike around, and that's what we've done. It's a twin cradle frame. It's got absolutely custom suspension, tubeless tires, and really good braking systems, which with ABS and the refinement of the ABS is also now really next level. So you don't even feel it when you slam on the brakes, but the ABS is working and it's not going to lock up. That's the whole motorcycle. It's absolutely brand new. We're really excited about it. It looks amazing, I believe, and it's the future of Indian cruising now. There's one more thing that we're really excited about on the Meteor 350, and that's the Tripper. The Tripper is a navigation pod which you got right here, and that connects up with the Royal Enfield app, and it's powered by Google Maps. That's a user interface that everyone is used to and really likes. It's got all the points of interest and addresses really well stored. And what you can do is just input your destination here and waypoints and all of that, and you're going to see everything on this little pod, exactly what you need, all the turns, all the next turn which is coming, the total distance, and it's really easy to navigate. So we've done this just so that you get enough information for what you need, but not more than that to distract you.
The idea of Meteor was not just to build a fabulous motorcycle, but to create a fantastic experience for the entire purchase as well as the ownership experience. For this, we created world-class digital solutions that allow the customer to personalize from the click of your mobile phone, providing a frictionless experience for the entire purchase journey. Ever since we launched this digital solution, fundamental changes were made to the way customers purchase a motorcycle and how Royal Enfield manufactures a motorcycle. With the Royal Enfield app, everything that you need is at your fingertips, whether it's riding, servicing, or anything else that you might need with the motorcycle. Every time I met a Royal Enfield customer, I saw a unique personality. And to encourage that spirit of personalization, we created the Make It Yours initiative. It was launched with the twins, and now it's available on the Meteor as well. We can have more than 500,000 permutations of the Meteor alone. Just this vehicle has 15 different color options on the fuel tank. And with enough personalization, you can even get your own personalized name tag. With this Make It Yours initiative, the purchase experience will be truly world-class. But to make also the ownership experience truly world-class, we expanded the network all across India and all across the world. We trained over 2,500 mechanics and gave them this fantastic toolkit along with a free mobile app so that any RE mechanic anywhere in the world can diagnose and repair the motorcycle in no time at all. I'm very excited today to launch this gorgeous bike, the Meteor 350. When you combine this with the fabulous digital apps, the Make It Yours initiative, as well as the Royal Enfield Mechanic app, you get an outstanding purchase and ownership experience. The Meteor 350 comes in 3 basic variants: the Fireball, the Stellar, and the Supernova. The price, you've been waiting all along, starts at 1,75,000. Of course, it comes with the 3-year warranty as well as a variety of packages for comprehensive annual maintenance as well as roadside assistance. For now, I hope, Siddharth, you're having a fabulous ride on our great new way.
The wait is finally over. The all-new, easy-cruising Meteor 350 from Royal Enfield is in stores today. Bookings open today, test rides start today. So go to our website, call your dealer, go to a showroom and ride this beautiful new motorcycle. We're really excited about it, and we want to thank you for tuning into this event of ours. And as we say, keep riding.
We wanted to create a progression, an evolution from the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird and cruising has been part of Royal Enfield's heritage for a long time now. The Meteor is the next generation, really. It's the next step on from that. So, brand new engine, brand new chassis. It's a ground-up piece of design.
When you step on it, you are welcomed by a nice view in the front, and I think that's very important.
And when you ride this back to back with the Thunderbird, you just feel it's just moved on another generation.
It's a high torque engine, it's a signature engine sound, a very signature exhaust note.
The new engine has a spread of an extra 1,000 RPM.
In addition to old 350 engine, the high RPM, no vibration, and it's much comfortable to maintain high speed.
You get a really good front end feel from the bike. The way it handles, it feels like a roadster.
Here we wanted to have a rake angle which is optimized both for the long distance riding as well as for the city commute.
The new frame, this is a ground up, brand new design, there's nothing carryover.
As far as the chassis itself goes, again, lots of effort to give you a bike that is, responsive and enjoyable to ride, but feels secure, solid.
Mass customization is one of the unique customer-centric program. Through this program, we are going to provide a lot of unique personalized options for the customer to configure their own motorcycle.
This is our Royal Enfield Tripper Pod, and what it does, it displays your turn-by-turn directions in a really simple, intuitive way.
We've done testing all over the world. We've done testing here in the UK, in Spain, and then obviously in India. And the result is a motorcycle that is really great fun to ride and very easy to ride. It's a very compliant motorcycle. You can jump on it and just feel at home straight away.
You've got that classic look and feel, the sound we've worked so hard to get. Riding it is, you can't really see it on the spec sheet. You've got to try it.
It's really about capturing the essence of what that long distance Royal Enfield cruising is all about, that easy cruising.